so I have this miniature pottery wheel, and I picked up another camera. It's the DJI Nano, and I was hoping to be able to attach it to this wheel. That way you could get some really cool kind of POV shots of what I'm seeing when I'm throwing. However, there's not really a attachment point for this pottery wheel. My thought is we'll build like a little sleeve that fits down over the square here with a tab on the end of it so I can clamp to it. I guess just stay tuned. Now I realized in measuring this that this is not a perfect square. One side is a little bit longer than the other, which was fine. I just had to make sure I kept those measurements in mind as I built out the sleeve here. I was able to subtract at the inside there and build this little knob where the camera will actually grip to it. Here's our piece right here. So we're just gonna grab that and then we'll put this on the wheel. All right, so had to reprint it. Here is the new one. Obviously you can see it's on, and this is my idea. So we have the top part goes on, the splash pan goes on like somehow. Where's the logo? There we go. This little tab here, I can clamp my bracket to. I can click this to it. Now right now does not have the actual right lens on. I have a macro lens that I'll be able to use that you'll be able to see a little bit better, and I have another extender arm to get it to the right position, but that is what we are looking at. That right there is what we were looking at. Someone say that's what we were going for. Nice simple build, just had to get it to be the right size. Now I can attach my camera to my mini wheel and get you guys some awesome POV. I promise you, we're gonna get some awesome POV.